Welcome back to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am unboxing my Boxycharm Premium. And I did use some of the products in this box today to create the look that you see. And we'll go right through the products that we have in this box and what I used and how I used it. If you love subscriptions, you love skincare and beauty products, this is the channel for you. If you like to stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it very much. But for now, let's get started on our Boxycharm Premium. This is our card with our information on it for the premium box. The theme for this month is Better Beauty, and we have the back of the card, which always contains the information about the products as well as the prices. And this time they gave us one that flips open, so we have a little bit more information on the inside of our card here. So guys, there are two products in this box that I didn't use. One is a skincare product, which is why I didn't do the try on for that one. But let's get started. So our first product out the box here, this is a Juice Beauty product, and Juice Beauty has been in Boxycharm for various different boxes, various different products they have. This is a bamboo pore redefining mask. And basically this mask has, what is this value on this one? This one has a $36 value, and this mask is supposed to clean and hydrate your skin at the same time with its pore refining mask. It helps to protect against acne, which we're all experiencing to some degree, and with bamboo charcoal and kaolin clay to help detox, aspen bark to help smooth and hydrate, and exfoliant hydroxy acids for softer, smoother looking complexion. And again, this has a $36 value. I'm just going to pop it out of the box here so that you guys can see what it looks like. And this is what the product looks like outside of the box, and it's a 2-ounce product. 2 fluid ounces, and let's see if I can show you the texture. And this is what the texture of the product looks like. So it looks like it's very thick from what I can see on the lid. Nothing's dropping off, so this is a very thick clay to put on. So this will be fun to try out for spa day. So guys, our next product out of our box is going to be Air Brows by Kosas, and I am familiar with the Kosas brand. They have been in our box before. I have not used this product before though. This is the Air Brow Clear Lifting Treatment Gel. It is a clean, long wear, clear brow gel boosted by hair care additives and fluffs, lifts, and helps keep the brows reaching their full growth potential. So this has a $22 value. I think that's neat, because for someone with me who has barely any eyebrows left, like as you get older your tails fall off, and my tails have fallen off, so we're just drawing them back on at this point. So anything that could kind of help regrow and kind of lay them in place, I think is a great product for someone like me. I am trying to get this thing open, and I'm sure I'm going to rip it. Okay, here we go. So guys, this is what our product looks like outside of its packaging. So it is a very clear container in here, and you have a very small brow tip here just to brush the product in, and the product seems to be a little jelly like, not much, but it seems to be very thin and easy to use. So that is a product I cannot wait to try. So that is the Kosas Brow Air Brow Kosas Air Brow Clear Lifting Treatment Gel. So since it's a treatment gel, I'll probably use this without using it with makeup. So on the days that I'm not wearing it, I'll probably give this a whirl to see how it works. Our next product that we have, guys, is the LYS. This is the Secure Skin, and this is the Gripping Serum. So LYS is also a brand that I am familiar with Boxycharm. This is the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. So this is a daily serum primer which helps balances and brightens the skin while controlling the appearance of excessive shine through the day. So it gives you a seamless complexion with or without makeup, which I think is great. So a product that you can use with or without makeup. And these primers are also good if in the winter time as well. If you guys don't know, if you have a problem with keeping moisture in your skin, I would say after you put your moisturizer on, you may want to add one of your primers that has a nice clear base to it, and it'll help lock some of the moisture in your skin. So it's worth a try. But I did use this primer today to help create this makeup look. I did not show you that. I did that off camera. But this product came out in a very clear gel. It went on very easy to use. It was nice and light. This is what the product looks like outside of the box here, but it was very easy to work with. It went on like a regular serum, no issues or problem, and I just went ahead and put my makeup on right on top of it, and I think my look came out great. I think this is a product worth trying if you haven't used it, and I enjoyed using the product today. Guys, the next portion of this video, I'll be doing a try on with our final 3 products in the box. We have the Aether Beauty palette, we have our Cover FX highlighting palette, and we have our Persona lip pencil. So stay tuned and we'll get started. We have received some great products in here that I'm going to try on. So we have the Aether Beauty palette right here, and it comes with a variety of shades that are listed on the back, and this is what they call their Desert Sunset palette. So I'm going to pop it out so you guys can see, and we're going to create a look with this palette here today. Ooh. And I like how they always have like these little, almost like tarot cards or something in here. It says, tenacious is the lioness in the face of oppression, unflattering conviction and clout. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but okay. But this is the palette here. This is the back. It shows the colors and the names of the colors on the palette. And Aether Beauty does not include a mirror with their palettes. This is probably the second palette I received, and that was via Boxycharm. And these are our colors right here. These are very nice colors, great colors for the winter fall time. I think you can do a lot of great things with them. And we are muted out so we can try everything on. guys, what I learned from using this palette is that there is going to be a little fallout, so make sure you tap your brush before you actually start applying, because you may have a little too much product. So just be mindful of that. So guys, our next product, we have a Persona lip liner here, and the Persona lip liner is made by Persona Cosmetics. This has a $14 value, and based on our card here, line and define and shape your lips with this creamy and blendable lip liner. So let's go ahead and pop this on. So this will help finish off our look, and I'll add lipstick off camera. I did go and do my mascara as well as my eyeliner to define our eye look here. And we'll finish off with the lips. So this is what the lip liner looks like outside of our packaging. So let's take a look at what we have, and that's the tip. And let's go ahead and start working with this. This is a nice kind of muted out desert kind of sand color to me. That's how it shows up on me. It's not that dark, and it's kind of brownish tone, which makes my lips look a little bit more like a nude color. So you could use this by itself and just wear it with a little bit of lip gloss on it, but I do have a lipstick, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop my lipstick on top of this. But I wanted to kind of just fill it in a bit just so you guys can see, like, on my lips what it looks like. So guys, the next product that came in my box is wrapped up in the bubble tape here, is the Cover FX. This is the Custom Enhancer palette. So this is supposed to be a travel friendly palette that features 3 best-selling shades of custom enhancer drops, now an metallic free pressed powder, and it's supposed to create a seamless complexion with or without makeup, and it's packed with skincare ingredients for a guilt-free beauty that feels good and looks good. This has a retail value of $42. So basically this is like a highlight. These are the shades in here, and it does have a little plastic cover here that I'm going to take off so you guys can see it better. And we have 3 gorgeous shades here. I think this would be nice to create a nice illuminating look. I can see using this in the summertime too, especially when you have, like, you know, sort of no makeup days, but you got like a little glow to you. That would be your glow right here. So let's go ahead and try this out. A great time trying out products in this box today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me some likes and comments in the bottom. Let me know what you thought about the look that I created with these products. I think we did get a pretty decent box this month in terms of what I received. I think everything kind of worked out pretty well. I enjoyed using the 3 makeup products. And also the primer too. I did enjoy using that. So I look forward to giving these products a whirl and creating some other looks. Please let me know what kind of looks you got out of your Aether Beauty palette, and if you were happy with the formulation. But I thought that this was a pretty decent box this month. I was very excited to get it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and until next time, guys, stay warm, stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!